Hey folks, thanks for clicking on the video. Today's going to be a quick one. We're just going to install a ProClip mount in the Honda today and add the magnetic cell phone holder to it. Now with the ProClip, if you're familiar with them, they have all sorts of additions that you could add to this, from tablet holders, GPS holders, any other various electronic devices that you'd have in your car. They are a little bit different than what you see out there for cell phone holders that go with suction devices, double-sided tape, various other adhering products that aren't as strong and or permanent. It goes a little bit different because sometimes with their holders you have to use a pry tool to remove some of the dash parts or something like that, because it kind of has a lip that grabs, and these grab really tight. So if you're accidentally nudge it or something like that, it's not going to fall off like some of those suction devices. So let's get started. So what I want to do is clean this area that I'm going to mount so that it'll stick, and I always use Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. It's just always been good for me because you could do glass, plastic, any kind of windshield or your dashboard. It is safe to touch the navigation screen, because some of those cleaners out there, if you put it on your touch screen, it affects it. It acts like a ghost touch. All right, so I've taken the clip out of the bag so that I can show you. And inside the bag, they have the instructions on how to mount it and a QR code to go on the internet and get a color version of the directions that come with it. But they're so simple, and with this video, you should be able to do it with no problem at all. Like I said before, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a lip right here, and there's a lip going in right there. And these are built to go in the crevices of dashboard parts, I'll say. And in this one, there's a lip where the radio comes down here over this air conditioning vent, and then inside of here where this lip is going to catch the back of the display, and it's going to sit in the air conditioned vent. Now you can mount it anywhere you want along that path. Your first intention may be to do it in the middle so you don't block your vent. That is one of the downfalls of it. It does sort of block your vent, but most mounts do that. It's kind of the positive negative of doing these things. Is right here, but there's no lip for it to go in, so you can go it on that side or this side, but I'm going to choose this side so that I'm not blocking the driver's side vent. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to figure out where you want to put it in proportion to your vent. I'm going to put it all the way up against this edge here, and so the first thing is to push it in, and you'll feel it kind of go in, and then that's it. So now once I've got it in there, you'll go in there real easy, and you push up on this arm to put it into the vent, and then now I'm going to just push down on it just a little bit to give that a little extra grab. Now you can see it's holding tight now. So as you can see, the mount is the magnetic one, so it just pops on and off there. Easy to get on and off. They do have one that the phone slides into that I have in my other vehicle that works really well also, and it's a little bit more sturdy, obviously, because it has tracks built in for your phone and slides right into it. But the MagSafe is a pretty good option as well, and I still can get behind there and touch it if needed. But my thought process is it was a lot better than having the phone down in here. This is where the phone holder is in the Honda Accord, and it just puts everything right there in front of the person driving so they can see, and it's very strong. Well, that sums it up. Like I said, an easy install, took 2 minutes, and now I've got a phone holder that's very, very rigid and makes it a little bit safer. And I will leave a description below or a website link for a ProClip that you see here on the phone, and you can go in there and customize anything that you'd like to have for your vehicle. As always, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and also leave any questions or comments down below. I'll try to respond to them as soon as possible. I appreciate your support, and have a wonderful day.